Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to ELC-Studies. Today we will explore the life and works of Aristotle, the legendary philosopher whose ideas have shaped the way we think about everything from ethics to politics. So buckle up and get ready for a journey through the mind of one of the most brilliant thinkers of all the time. Let's take a start from his life. He was born in the city of Stagira in northern Greece. He was a son of physician to the royal court and grew up in the court of royal family in Macedonia. He was sent to Athens at the age of 17 to study at the academy. He remained there for 20 years until the death of Plato. He became a full-fledged member of the academy and indeed one of its important and respected member. Plato says about him nous means a very intellect of academy. He established a school in gymnasium, namely Lyceum, also known as peripatetic school, because of Aristotle's habit of walking while giving instructions. He returned to Athens to teach Alexander the Great, married with Pythias, a niece of tyrant, and after the sudden death of Alexander, he was accused of misuse of anti-Macedonian party at Athens, and was compelled to flee to Euboea, where he died and Greece lost her greatest philosopher. Here are some of Aristotle's major works. The categories: a work on the nature of language and how we classify things. The physics: a study of the natural world, including concepts such as motion, time, and space. The metaphysics: a work on the nature of reality and the existence of God. The Nicomachean Ethics: a treatise on ethics and morality, exploring topics such as virtue, friendship, and happiness. The Politics: a study of political theory, arguing for a well-ordered society and the importance of the middle class. The Poetics: a work on literary theory and the nature of tragedy. The Organon: a collection of works on logic and reasoning, including the prior analytics and the posterior analytics. The History of Animals: a study of the natural world, including the classification of animals and the study of anatomy. The On the Soul: a work on psychology and the nature of the human soul. These are just a few of Aristotle's major works, and he wrote on a wide range of topics that continue to be studied and debated today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, we have many other videos on our channel that covers a variety of topics related to English, academic, and literature studies. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our latest content. You can also check out our other videos by clicking on the links that appear on your screen now. We appreciate your support and hope to see you in our next video.